A winter snowstorm or ice storm can do a lot of damage to your landscape.
It's been snowing hard all morning, and we have quite a bit of snow coming down, and we've had probably 12-15 inches of snow already this month, and more is coming down, and this snow is just laying on top of all these arborvitaes here. But the arborvitaes are all in perfect shape. These are green giants, and they grow with a pyramidal shape and form, which allows the snow to pretty much fall off. There'll be more snow on these arborvitaes, but they will not bend over. They'll stand straight up. They're very, very tough. If you had Niagara, or if you had emerald green, you would have collapsing under this kind of snow load, and you'd have to go out with a broom and clean your arborvitaes, but not with the green giant. We grow the green giants at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, and they provide excellent privacy. You can barely see that there's houses across the street from us, and it gives you excellent control of noise and also your privacy, which is the most important thing that you can have at your house. That's why you have curtains. That's why you have green giants.
These are 8 to 10 foot green giants at Highland Hill Farm. People like curtains and people like green giants for real privacy at your home.